Hello, my dear students. Welcome back to our class and hope all of you are fine and fit at your home. And hope that all of you have completed your work till whatever I have given. And today also we will continue our third chapter number third addition, subtraction of large numbers. And if you have seen that previous videos that till the exercise 3.2 we have completed already, and today we are going to start our new exercise, that is exercise number 3.3. So before starting the exercise question, we will discuss about a new topic on subtraction and properties of subtraction in this video. Let's start. The term subtraction, all of you know it already, but there are three terms related to subtraction. Do you know these three terms? What are the terms you should know? Yes, that in a problem on subtraction, the larger number is called the minute. That means which is the larger number is called minute. Suppose you can see here I have subtracted 2 from the 5, and 5 is the larger number, so this 5 is called as the minute, and 2 is a smaller number and 2 is called a subtraction, and the result which we are getting after subtraction, that means this 3 is called the difference. So all of you know now that larger number from which we subtract the other number is called the minute, and the number which is subtracted is called the subtractant, and the result after subtracting which one we are getting is called that difference. Is that clear, all of you students? So students, all of you know now how to do the subtraction, because now you are in class 5. From the 1 you are getting the subtraction work. All right, so we will see the subtraction with borrowing. All right students, so see here I have written some number 279. This is the larger number, it's called minute, and the smaller number we have to subtract 184 from the 279. How we will subtract it? 9 minus 4. What is 9 minus 4? That 5. And 7 and 8, we have to subtract the 8 from 7, but 7 is the smaller number than 8, so we cannot subtract it. That's why we have to take or borrow from the 100 place digit 1, and 1 means it is actually 1 means it will be the 17. So 17, so why it is 17? Do you know it, students? Because 1s to 10s or 10s to 100, every nearby place digits is multiplying by 10. That's why it means if you will take the 1 from the 100 place also, then also you have to add the 10 with that 10s place digit. Okay students, so 10 plus 7 you will get 17, and 17 minus 8, it is 9. And now what is there? It has become 2 has become 1, because we have taken 1 from this 2, so it is 1. 1 minus 1 is 0, but we cannot write 0 in the beginning of any number. Alright students, so the difference will be only the 95. Is that clear students? Now one more example you see. 3 there are 3, it is 1's place digit we have to subtract first. So 3 minus 5 is there, so 3 is the less number, that's why you cannot subtract the 3 from 5. That means we have to take from 1's place digit number 1 we have to borrow. So after borrowing it will be 13. 13 minus 8, it is the 13 minus 5, it will be 8. and here it has the 7 has become now 6. So 6 minus 2, it will be 4, and there is also 6 minus 2, 4, and 5 in thousands place it's 5, and 5 minus 3, it will be 2. So this is our result. Alright students, and you know the process of subtraction, but have you remembered that properties of subtraction? Let's have a look to the properties of subtraction. Properties of subtraction, as all of you know that I have explained just now, that subtraction process all of you know, but actually you should know the properties also. You were used to do the subtraction, but you should clear about the properties of subtraction. So that's why I'm explaining it to you. First property is the order of numbers involved in subtraction cannot be changed. While what is said in this property number 1, students, that order in addition, properties of addition, already I have explained that order, if the order is changed then also sum is same, but in case of subtraction it is not the same. It is, we cannot change the order. See here, if 5 minus 2, you will get what? 3. But if we'll change the position of the digits or number, there you will write 2 here and 5 in second place. So what will be the result, students? Can you say? Actually, which is the larger number, from that we have to subtract. Larger number is what? Which one? 5 or 2? That means minus will be 5. So 5 minus 2, you will get what? There is no sign, that means it is plus. So 5, this one also plus and minus, you have to subtract only. So 5 minus 2, you will get 3 also, but in the which sign is in the larger numbers place. In the larger number place, 5 is before that 5, it is given subtraction minus sign. So that's why we have to give the minus sign here. And in case there you can see plus 5, no sign mention is not there. That means it is plus 5 and minus 2. Plus and minus, always it will be minus. So once one number is plus and one number is minus, that means we have to subtract it. So subtraction, which is the bigger number, before that which sign is there, their sign should be in the result, or means the difference. So in difference of these, 3 is the difference of 5 and 2. So before that there is plus, and as the large plus 5 here, and but here you can see it is minus 5. That's why in the difference 3, there it will be the minus. That's why now it is plus 3 and it is minus 3. So both are different results. Both are different in result. So that's why we cannot be change the order of the subtraction. Alright students, and property 2, you can see a number subtracted from itself gives 0. That means a number, suppose 6 minus 6, what you will get, students? 6 minus 6, always it will be 0. Suppose you have the 6 ball, you will take away all the 6 balls, or you will give anyone to the all, then what you will get? That means 0. So 6 minus 6, we will get the 0 only. And property number 3, you can see 0 subtracted from any number gives the same number. So that means if 5 minus 0, you will get the same number, 5 only. Okay students, and now property number 4, you can see here 1 subtracted from any number gives its predecessor. So one number, 1 subtracted there, suppose I'm taking here, say for example 7 minus 1, what you will get? Predecessor means first. I have explained it earlier in our video also. Predecessor means there in addition chapter. Successor was there, and predecessor means that before means what? Just before means we have to subtract it 1 from that number. So 7 minus 1, you will get what? 6. Like, so that producer of 7 is what? If anyone will ask, producer of 7 is what? 6. So that 6 is coming at first, just coming at first from the 7. So 6 is called the producer of 7. One subtracted from any number, it gives the producer. And see here, if 5 minus 1, you will get what? 4. So this is called the producer of 5. Alright students, I hope this is clear to you now. Now let's move in exercise 3.3. Now let's see. Let us start this from the question number 1. Subtract the following numbers. I have taken here the B number 1 and I have arranged the numbers also in this way. See here, first one, we have that number I have written already. Just we have to subtract from the which side? Ones place digit. So ones place digit are what? 1 and 3. So 1 is the less number, so we cannot subtract. That's why we have to borrow from the tens place digits. Tens place digit, it is 2. So we have to borrow 1 from here. So it will be 10 plus 1, that means 11. 11 minus 3 will get 8. Now 2 has become 1. So 1 minus 0, you will get 1 according to the property. Now here you can see 3. 3 from, we cannot subtract 4. So that's why we have to take 1 from this thousands place digits. It has become now 13. 13 minus 4, 9. And here it has become 6 has become 5. So 5 minus 0, it is 5. And 0 minus 7 we cannot do. So we have to take 1 from this place. It will be 10. 10 minus 7, 3. And there it is. Now 8 has become 7. So 7 minus 1, 6. And there 2, we have to take 1. So 12 minus 8, 4. And as we have taken 1 or borrowed 1 from the 4, that means it is 3. And 3 minus 3, 0. So no need to write the 0. And this is our result. So alright students, similarly I have taken one more, that G number 1. See here, I have arranged also from ones place digit. We will subtract 5 minus 2, 3, 8 minus 2, 6, and there 0. Because these are the larger number, we no need to borrow the numbers from this next place. So, but 0 we cannot subtract from the 2. So we have to take 1, that means 10. 10 minus 2, 8. And here it is, 5 has become 5. So, sorry, 4. So 4 minus 2, 2. And 6 minus 2, 4. And there 7 minus 2, 5. Now it is 4 minus 2, 2. And 3 minus 2, 1. So this is our result. You can see here, we have got the result. 1 crore 25 lakhs 42,863. Alright students, so I hope this is clear to you. Know how to do the subtraction with the borrowing, and similar way you complete the others. Thank you.